Now question is, a man stands on a rotating platform with his arms stretched horizontally holding a 5 kg weight in each hand. The angular speed of the platform is 30 revolution per minute. So that is our omega I, 30 revolution per minute. The man then brings his arm close to his body with the distance each weight from the axis changing from 90 centimeter to 20 centimeter. So here the distance S1 is equal to 90 centimeter to S2 is equal to 20 centimeter. The moment of inertia of man together with the platform may be taken to be constant and equal to 7.6 kilogram meter square. What is his new angular speed? To find that, always remember Li is equal to Lf, means angular momentums are always same. So I1 omega I omega I is equal to If omega f. Now we need to find II and If. So first of all, II, to find that formula we have, which is a moment of inertia, that is for initial, right? So is equal to 2 mr square. Now 2 into m, mass is 5 and r initially it is 0.9, right? So it will be 9. So 5 to the 10, 10 into 0.9, right? So that is 9 here, right? Here now, so it is here actually 0.9 square, right? So here 10 into 0.9 square, that will be 0.81, right? So it is 8.1. Now for initial, 7.6 plus 8.1, right? That will be 7, and here 15.7. That is our II. Now we need to find If. To find If, again 2 mr square, right, is equal to 2 into 5. R is 0.2 square, so 10, right? 10 into 0.04, so 0.4, right? So 0.4. Now If is equal to 7.6 plus 0.4, that will be 8. So here II and If we have, right? So II, right, II, that is we got 15 point, it is 7, right, and If is 8. Now that formula II and omega I is equal to If omega f. Now II is 15.7, omega 1 means omega I initially it is 30, If is 8, omega f that we need to find. So omega f is equal to, that is 15.7 into 30 upon 8, right? So that will be 58.875, that is revolution per minute, right? So this is our new angular speed, 59 approximately. And then, is kinetic energy conserved in the process? If not, from where does the change come about? So here kinetic energy is not conserved here because it is changing. Why? Because of angular speed is changing, right? If angular speed is changing, kinetic energy depends on that half I omega square. Now see, here I and omega both are changing, right? So because of that, and also it stretch horizontally, so there is also frictional, so kinetic energy never be conserved here because of friction, because of changing of moment of inertia, because of changing of angular velocity. That's why kinetic energy is not conserved here.